Hi friends, in today's video we're going to see how to crochet this cute little heart. It's a very simple project. You can complete it in 10 minutes and you can use this to upscale your crochet projects like bags, headbands or even your clothes. So let's get started. This is the chunky yarn I'm going to use for this simple project and 7 mm hook. I got this hook as well as the chunky yarn in Pradhan embroidery. I'm going to start with a slip knot. That is how you do a slip knot, and you're going to start with 2 chains. So this is how you make a chain. Chain 1, chain 2. Now second from the hook, that is the first chain that you did, you are going to do 2 double crochets into that first chain. How do you do a double crochet? You have to first yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then pull through the remaining 2 loops. That is how you do a double crochet. So you have to do 2 double crochets into that first chain. So yarn over, insert the hook. You will have 3 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now pull through 2 more loops. So that is how you do a double crochet. So we did a chain 2 and into the first chain we did 2 double crochets so far. Now we are going to do 2 single crochets into the first chain, the same space, same first chain. So all the stitches will go into the same chain. So this is how you do a single crochet. Insert the hook and yarn over and pull through both the loops. That is how you do it. Now this is done. One half of the heart is done. So you have to have one more last double crochet to complete that one half of the heart. So this is how it looks like. That is one half and you will be doing the other half now. So you have to repeat the same stitches but in the reverse order. We started off with a double crochet, right? 2 double crochets. So and then we went on to 2 single crochets. Now we will do 2 single crochets. So we are going the other side now. So it will be the reverse. 2 single crochets. So that is how into the same chain. So insert hook, grab the yarn, you'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is how you do a single crochet. Now to finish this, 2 more double crochets. So on the other side, whatever we did, we have repeated here. So 2 double crochets. With that, this project is coming to an end. So 2 double crochets, 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet as the tip. Then again 2 single crochets, 2 double crochets and you are done with the project. So this is a cute little heart which can be quickly done because it is a chunky yarn. You can quickly do this and you can use it to upscale your other crochet projects. Now I'm pulling the tail so that there is no hole in the middle and you can cut this out and the tail you have to weave this into the heart using you can either use a needle or you can also use your crochet hook like that. You can actually use a thinner crochet hook for this purpose and you can just cut it out so that it is secure, doesn't come out. Both the tails you can weave them into the heart and cut it out like that. Yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until I meet you with another cute little project. Bye-bye.